दिवाळी जुव्यार मालार जावपी फामाद बोनेराचे फेस्त 17 ऑगस्टाक सकाळी 11 ते राती 10 वरां मजगती जातले. ह्या निमतान गोयचे गिरेस्त सांस्कृतिक दायजाचे दर्शन घडटले. गोयच्या खाणा जेवणाचो आस्वादय घेवपाक मेळटलो. पळयात पुराय बातमी.
Good evening everybody and welcome to this press conference. We are all here to discuss a very exciting event which is coming up on the 17th. We all have known and attended Bonera for so many years. We have grown up listening to the stories. But this year is something special.
For supporting all our festivals actually. It's been a long journey of 25 years, 84 festivals, and I'm extremely happy and proud and honored to be part of the Samathiya's Bonera this year. So it's going to be really an amazing event this year. It is going to be diverse, it's going to be inclusive, and most importantly, we are going to take everybody with us. We start very early. So please take note, it starts at 11 o'clock. Yeah. And from 11 o'clock, we have an array of programs throughout the day. So we start at 11 o'clock with the 16th edition of the Patoyanche Fest. 16 years ago, we had started in another village. This year, Samathiya Sports Club is going to host the Patoyanche Fest. And we have a very renowned Goan, one of the most esteemed Goan, Dr. Rajendra Kerkar, who is going to come to open the actual fest. When I say it's an inclusive fest, so we will be having things like people from the differently able community. They'll be coming to do Molla, Rotesau, and with us we have our co-curator Dr. Gwendolyn Ornalish, with our friend Nicole, who's the coordinator. They will be doing the Patoyanche Fest. They will have a Patoya workshop happening at that time. The main thing is we have to showcase Goa to the world. As you see, we have a Gurgurat here, we have Gumots there, and all this. This is Goa. This has to be shown to the world. We've had enough fun of music and dance and all that. Now we have to start young, and our aim at this year's Bandera, and we've got a very young committee, and we are hoping, whatever they have seen and learned this year, it will be taken forward to future years. I have with me here Remy Almeida, who is the Vice President, and he will tell you the later programs of the day.
Archi Modera, 17 तारखेर Saturday जातली from 11 o'clock. The morning program is something which is not known to the people because Bonera म्हणल्यार लोकांक दिसता एक सांचो एंटरटेनमेंट फ्लोट्स कम म्युजिकल इवनिंग. पूण जो आतां आमचो मालार बोरेंदारा आहा ती जायतीं वर्सां जालीं आतां लास्ट 3-4 years आमी सकाळचो प्रोग्राम करता आनी सकाळचो प्रोग्राम जो जो आसता तो आमी एड्युकेशनल आनी हॉलिस्टीक असो केला. where children from various colleges like Carmel College, Nirmala College, Travelling Dome, Soul Travelling, like these niche tourism companies are now also attending this Bandera from the point of view of an education and also something they want to see the culture and heritage. So सकाळचो जो प्रोग्राम आसा ह्या वर्सा आमी पातोळेचें फेस्त दवरला ते आमच्या बाब मारियोन ऑर्गनायज करता तो. And we are really happy that he is part of our village. Because of that, he gives us the dimension to make our Bandera rich. So, पांतोळेचें फेस्त आसतलें, मागीर मोल्लांचें वर्कशॉप आसतलें, रोतेसांव करपाचें आसतलें, आनी तितून आमी जेवण दवरलां, ट्रेडिशनल लोकांक जेवण दवरलां. त्या ट्रेडिशनल जेवणान तुमकां उकडे तांदूळ किंवा खतखतें, मागीर वणगणें तसले आमी प्रकार दवरल्या लोकांक घेवन टेस्ट करपाक विलेजीचें जेवण कशें आसता तें पळोवपाक. त्याच्या नंतर आमी ऑल्सो एक प्रोग्राम दवरला. आतां आमी ताका म्हणटा जेड टॉक्स. जेड म्हणल्यार गोवन एड्युकेशनल टॉक्स, ग्रीन गोवन एड्युकेशनल टॉक्स. वॉट वी रियलायज लास्ट इयर इज वेन वी स्टार्टेड वी कॉल्ड द गोवा एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेज आनी तांचो प्रिंसिपलान आमकां एक टॉपिकाचेर बरो प्रोग्राम केलो, उलोवप केलें आनी तो इयर ऑफ द मिलेट्स आहलें. So from that we realized that it was a success and it started looking like we could use the Bandera platform to make it not just an entertainment but an educational for the people who are coming there. So this year we went one step further and we created this official thing called JED Talks, which now Mr. Rajendra Kerkar, the popular environmentalist, is coming to give a topic on something like tiger reserves. Now with all this happening in the morning time, वी आर व्हेरी एक्सायटेड दॅट मालार बोंदेरा इज टेकिंग ऑफ इन अ डिफरंट नॅरेटीव. अशें म्हणप आसता की मालार बोंदेरा आमची धाकटी बोंदेरा म्हणून, पूण एक्चुली तो नॅरेटीव आतां चेंज जालो आनी लोकांनी म्हणजे ताका पळोवपाक जाय की हो धाकटो बोंदेरा न्हू, ही लांब बोंदेरां कित्याक आमची इकरांक जाता आनी 10 काबार जाता. So there is a variety of programs for children, young teenagers, adults and everybody, and they can choose and pick which they want to come. So with this, I also want to say that this entire thing is possible mostly because the Goa tourism and art and culture department, these two pillars are actually supporting us for many years. आणि आमचो श्री ऑनरेबल गोविंद गावडे मिनिस्टर आणि श्री रोहन गावडे दोगूय जाण आमकां कितले अटेन्शन दिता. तशेंच आमचे आमदार MLA राजेश फलदेसाय केन्नाय वचूं जाल्यार केन्नायच अटेन्शन दिता आमकां. सो कितें आमची कामां आसा, फेरयेचेर प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा ते आमकां फेरी थर्ड फेरी जाय किंवा फेरयेचेर ते व्हडले ट्रक येता स्टेज सेटअप करपाक, ते रोखडेच आमची कामां करून दिता. ऑल्सो आमचे सरपंच मारियो पिंटो आणि सुप्रिया तारी, ती दोगांय जाण आमकां रोखडेच हेल्प करपाक येता. ग्रास कटींग करता सद्याक आतां ते ऑल दीस इज अ फूल टीम वेर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर एक्चुअली सपोर्टिंग अस, एंड दॅट्स वाय दिस थिंग एक्चुअली वर्क्स. And so with that, I would like to also tell our new president, Mr. Robin, who can tell you more about it.
सांगून दिला कितें करतलो पळय ते बोंदेराचें आनी कितें प्रोग्राम आहा पळय तो. आनी चड म्हणजे आमचे आतां बँड आसतले वाजोवपाचे आमचे फ्लोट आसता मागीर, आनी ते प्रोग्राम पयलो जाता पळय तेन्ना तेणें सांगलें.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, समरिता खणगांवकार आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.